Hello everybody! It is time to begin the Fall Deep Clean series for 2025. For those that have followed along the channel for years, know when it's October, I take a week of vacation and get caught up on any projects around the house and do a deep clean, moving the furniture, vacuuming under, vacuuming the furniture, thorough dusting, baseboards, doors, trim, and all that good stuff. Typically I start by pressure washing the exterior of the house, including all the concrete and wood and all that. Get that done, then I get on the windows inside and out, get those cleaned up, and then move on to different things inside the house and keep working on the list till I get it knocked out. So just wanted to give a quick introduction to the series that will be being released over the next week or two. Thank you for watching.